Hello, good day. My name is Evan Jasper C. De La Torre, grade 12, Biom Santos. Biom Santos. This is my spoken poetry. Title, Tired. Up every morning, but I don't feel alive. My body is heavy and I can't seem to thrive. The weight of the world is all on my shoulder. I'm drowning in sorrow as my heart grows colder. I'm so tired of trying to keep up with the play.
Yan na! Ako nagbigay! 50 centavos ang pusta!
My dream and my passion now seem out of place. I feel like a burden to those around me. My mind is so clouded, I just can't seem to see. And so I think about it, about ending this pain. Maybe this is the answer to make it all go away.
Sinasabi ko sa iyo, Ashley, huwag mo siya tignan ako. Tignan mo! Ashley! Tignan mo ako!
But then I remember all the love that's around, the people who care and take joy that's found.
Are you ready, kids? I am Captain! I can hear you! I am Captain!
So I take a deep breath and I try once again to find my way back to a life without end. It won't be easy, but I know I can try
Wala na ngayon endangered species na yan.
to find the strength within and to not give up and die.